Okay, welcome. We'd like to extend a warm welcome and thank you for attending Saiti and Shravani's Arangetram. Saiti and Shravani started to dance since they were almost around 6 years old under the expert guidance of Guru Kalashri Asha Gopal. Since then, dance has become their integral part of their lives and our lives. The dance school they attend, Aarti School of Dance, has played an integral role in shaping them into motivated, responsible, and confident teens they are currently are. Today, they achieve a significant milestone in their journey, where their guru has determined that they have achieved the necessary skills to ascend the stage and give solo performance. We are grateful to have you all attend and be a part of this cardinal event in their lives. Finally, as you know, the biggest gift a dancer or an artist can receive is active participation and encouragement from the audience. The cheers and applause from the audience is like currency for the dancers and all the artists on the stage, and they feed off from the enthusiasm and energy from the crowd and perform exceptionally well. We request you encourage Saiti and Shravi by being as loud as you can, celebrating their performances. Especially Pranchi and Isha, I know you guys can be loud, so don't hold back. Welcome.
Now we welcome our MC, Sutopa Barua, a former graduate of Aarti School of Indian Dances, began her training in Bharatanatyam at a very young age under the tutelage of Kalashri Asha Gopal. Sutopa has performed in many major cultural events, festivals, and conferences in the United States, Canada, Bangladesh, and Japan. She has been teaching Bharatanatyam at Aarti School of Dance since 2003. Sutopa has also choreographed various semi-classical Bengali dance numbers and has directed several dance productions for youth in the Bengali community. Apart from dance, she's learning Hindustani vocal music and has given many concerts locally as well as abroad and in India. Sutopa holds a bachelor's degree in molecular and cellular biology with a minor in music from the University of Arizona and a master's degree in ethnomusicology from Arizona State University. She has served as faculty associate at Arizona State University teaching dance and at Estrella Mountain Community College teaching music history courses. Please welcome Sutopa Barua. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor for me to be a part of such a special milestone in Saiti and Shravani's life. This evening's performance marks the first major Bharatanatyam recital in their dance career, their Arangetram. The Tamil word Arangetram literally means ascending the stage. This dance debut signifies the culmination of many years of hard work and dedication of not only the dancers, but also their guru. Before we begin the program, I would like to go over a few housekeeping rules. First, photography is prohibited as it may disrupt the dancers and alter the quality of the professional video recording of the performance. We also request that your cell phones be set to vibrate or silent during the entire program. If you need to leave your seat for any reason, please do so in between the individual dances. Food and drinks are not allowed in the auditorium under any circumstances. And finally, if your children become restless during the program, you may consider taking them to the lobby to prevent any disruption. Without further ado, we will commence today's program with a traditional invocation performed by our very talented group of musicians. Thank you.
పరి పరి నీ పాదమే పరి పరి నీ పాదమే భావన పరమదయావరా పావన పరి పరి నీ పాదమే భావన పరమదయావరా పావన పరి పరి నీ పదమే వరములు వేదను నిన్ను వీడను వరములు వేదను నిన్ను వీడను కరీంద్రముఖ సుముఖ నీవాడను వరములు వేడను నిన్ను వీడను కరీంద్రముఖ సుముఖ నీవాడను పరి పరి నీ పాదమే భావన పరమదయావర పావన పరి పరి నీ పదమే మురళీ మృదంగ నాట్య ప్రభాకర మురళీ మృదంగ నాట్య ప్రభాకర సరళ మధుర సంగీత సుధాకర మురళీ మృదంగ నాట్య ప్రభాకర సరళ మధుర సంగీత సుధాకర ముందుగా నిన్ను కొలిచేవారికి ముందే నిల్దే నిల్దే నిలిచే ముందుగా నిన్ను కొలిచేవారికి ముందే విల్దే నిల్దే నిలిచే గబగరి గరి సని సగరి గరి గరి ప గబగని గబగరి గరి సని సగరి గరి గరి ప గబగని ని గబని గరి సని బగ రి గబరి సని బగరి సరి గ సని బగరి స పరి పరి నీ పదమే భావన పరమదయావర పావన పరి పరి నీ పాదమే
Thank you to the musicians for creating such a beautiful atmosphere for us to welcome our dancers for the evening. Sahati and Shravani will begin their Arangetram with a Pushpanjali, which means offering of flowers. This is an invocatory dance in praise of the elephant-headed Lord Ganesha, the remover of all obstacles, to whom the dancers pray for a successful performance. Pushpanjali marks the first entrance of the dancers onto the stage, where they offer flowers and bow down to Nataraja, the god of dance, then seek the blessings of their guru, the accompanying musicians, Mother Earth, as well as the audience. The lyrics of the song are as follows. O Ganesha, the Lord with an elephant face, you are the embodiment of kindness. You are the son of Shiva, the beautiful one with a big stomach. You are worshipped by the immortal Devas, Indra, and the sages. I bow to your lotus feet. You are the foundation of the three worlds, the essence of the Vedas, and the foundation of my life. Please give me your blessings, O auspicious-faced one. You take the form of the sacred sound, Om. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Sahati and Shravani to the stage for their first dance, Pushpanjali, in Ragam Sri Ranjani, set to Adi Talam.
தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் 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 தகிட தீம் தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் 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 தகிட தீம் தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் 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 தகிட தீம் தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் 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 தகிட தீம் தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் 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 தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் 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 தகிட தீம் தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட தீம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட
தத்தரி தத்தண்ண தஜொன்னு தத்திப்பி தகுந்தரி கிடத்தக தத்தரி தத்தண்ண தஜொன்னு தத்திப்பி தகுந்தரி கிடத்தக ஜொந்தரி தா தக்கரி நம் தரி தேதி தக்கரி தத்திங்கென்ன தொம் தத்திங்கென்ன தொம் தத்திங்கென்ன தொம் தத்திங்கென்ன தொம் தத்திங்கென்ன தொம் தத்திங்கென்ன தொம் takatigo karadaradom, takatigo karadaradom, takatigo karadaradom.
ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಶಂಕರ ಬಾಲ ಲಂಬೋದರ ಸುಂದರ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಶಂಕರ ಬಾಲ ಲಂಬೋದರ ಸುಂದರ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಶಂಕರ ಬಾಲ ಲಂಬೋದರ ಸುಂದರ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ அஜனமரேந்திரனும் முனிவரும் பணியும் மஜனமரேந்திரனும் முனிவரும் பணியும் மஜனமரேந்திரனும் முனிவரும் பணியும் பங்கஜ சரண 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 பங்கஜ சரண சரண ಶರಣ ಪಂಕಜ ಚರಣ ಶರಣ ಶರಣ ಅಜನ ಮರೇಂದ್ರನು ಮುನಿವರು ಪಣಿಯುಂ ಪಂಕಜ ಚರಣ ಶರಣ ಶರಣ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣ ಸದನ ಶಂಕರ ಬಾಲ ಲಂಬೋದರ ಸುಂದರ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣ ಸದನ நீயே மூவுலகுக்கு ஆதாரம் நீயே சிவாகம மந்திரசாரம் நீயே மூவுலகுக்கு ஆதாரம் நீயே சிவாகம மந்திரசாரம் நீயே வாழ்வினில் ஜீவாதாரம் நீயே வாழ்வினில் ஜீவாதாரம் நீ அருள்வாய் சுமுக சுமுக நீ அருள்வாய் சுமுக ஓம்காரம் நீயே மூவுலகுக்கு ஆதாரம் நீயே சிவாகம மந்திரசாரம் நீயே வாழ்வினில் ஜீவாதாரம் நீ அருள்வாய் சுமுக ஓம்காரம் கஜவதன கருணா சதன சங்கர பால லம்போதர சுந்தர கஜவதன கருணா சதன ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ
The next item will be Alaripu, which means to blossom, symbolizing the awakening of the dancer's body, mind, and spirit in harmony with rhythm. Starting with isolated movements of the eyes, head, neck, and shoulders, the choreography gradually expands into full-bodied sequences mirroring the opening of a flower to the sun. This particular piece is a Devi Alaripu set to powerful verses of the resounding hymn Aigiri Nandini, an ode to goddess Durga. In this rendition, the rhythmic framework of the Alaripu blends seamlessly with the devotional energy of the song, celebrating goddess Durga in her victorious form as Mahishasura Mardini. Through geometric precision and expressive vigor, the dancers invoke the fierce yet compassionate protector, offering the performance as a prayer for courage, auspiciousness, and grace to guide the journey of the recital. Sahati and Shravani will now present Alaripu in Ragam Punnagavarali, set to Chatushratalam, a 4-beat cycle. Thank you.
Dalang gutakadi gutakata dingena tom ta tei yom dat ta ta keda takata tei yom dalang gutakadi gutakata dingena tom tam taditam ditam ditei ta ke ta katam taditam ditam ditei ta ke ta katam ditam ditei takita takatam ditam ditei takita takatam ditam ditei takita takatam ditam ditei takita takatam ditate tarikira takate ditei tarikira 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 takatam
Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandinute Girivara Vindhya Shirodhini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandinute Girivara Vindhya Shirodhini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute
tam ditate tarikira takate ditei tarikira takatam 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 ditate tarikira takate ditei tarikira takate
Ai Jagadamba Madamba Kadamba Vana Priyavasini Hasarate Ai Sharanagata Vairi Vaduvara Viravara Bhayadayakare Ai Jagadamba Madamba Kadamba Vana Priyavasini Hasarate Ai Sharanagata Vairi
ditta dittai ta 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 katam ta ditta dittai ta takkiradum ta takkiradum ta takkiradum tam ditta dittai takkitta takkatam ditta dittai takkitta takkatam ditta dittai takkitta takkatam ditta dittai takkitta takkatam ditate tarikira takate ditaite tarikira takatam 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 ditate tarikira takate ditaite tarikira takatam
ಸುರಲಲ ನಾಟಕ ಥೈತತ ಥೈತಟಾಭಿನಯೋತ್ತಮ ನೃತ್ಯಗತಿ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಧ್ವನಿ ಧೀರ ಮೃದಂಗ ನಿನಾದರತಿ ಸುರಲಲ ನಾಟಕ ಥೈತತ ಥೈತಟಾಭಿನಯೋತ್ತಮ ನೃತ್ಯಗತಿ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಧ್ವನಿ ಧೀರ ಮೃದಂಗ ನಿನಾದರತಿ
tam ditta ditta dittai ta takkiradum ta takkiradum ta takkiradum tam ditta ditta dittai ta takkiradum ta takkiradum ta takkiradum tam ditta dittai takkitta takkatam ditta dittai takkitta takkatam ditta dittai takkitta takkatam ditta dittai takkitta takkatam ditate tarikira takate ditaite tarikira takatam ditate tarikira takate ditaite tarikira takatam
ಜಯ ಜಯ ಜಪ್ಯ ಜಯೇ ಜಯ ಶಬ್ದ ಪರಸ್ತುತಿ ತತ್ಪರ ವಿಶ್ವನುತೆ ಝಣ ಝಣ ಜನ ಚಿಂಕೃತ ನೂಪುರ ಸಿಂಜಿತ ಮೋಹಿತ ಭೂತಪತಿ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಜಪ್ಯ ಜಯೇ ಜಯ ಶಬ್ದ ಪರಸ್ತುತಿ ತತ್ಪರ ವಿಶ್ವನುತೆ ಝಣ ಝಣ ಜನ ಚಿಂಕೃತ ನೂಪುರ ಸಿಂಜಿತ ಮೋಹಿತ ಭೂತಪತಿ
tam ditate tarikira takate ditaite tarikira takatam 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 ditate tarikira takate ditaite tarikira takata hata jom tarita jakatarite ta hata jom tari jakatari tadigina tom takatadingina tom takadiku tadigina tom
ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ಧಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯ ಕಪರ್ಧಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ಧಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯ ಕಪರ್ಧಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ಧಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯ ಕಪರ್ಧಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ರಮ್ಯ ಕಪರ್ಧಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ರಮ್ಯ ಕಪರ್ಧಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ
Wow, the choreography of the Alaripu was so unique, and the dancers did such a beautiful job. Don't you all agree? Before we move on to the next dance, I would like to give you a brief background on Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is an ancient Indian classical dance form that originated in the southern state of Tamil Nadu over 3,000 years ago. The syllables of the word Bharata combine three fundamental elements of dance. Bha stands for bhava, meaning expression. Ra stands for raga, meaning melody. And ta stands for tala, meaning rhythm. The name Bharatanatyam is derived from Bharata Muni, the sage who wrote the Natya Shastra, the ancient treatise on the performing arts. Originally, it was only performed in the temple by Devadasis, but nowadays it is one of the most popular Indian classical dance styles performed all over the world. We will now proceed with Jati Swaram, which combines jatis, or rhythmic patterns, with swarams, or melodic notes. Unlike pieces with narrative content, Jati Swaram displays the abstract beauty of movement and music. It is made up solely of nritta, or pure dance, and it is not done in praise of any particular deity. The choreography explores complex rhythmic structures through adavus, or footwork, interwoven with the melodic progression of the ragam and talam. We will see a drastic increase in complexity in this dance, which will set the pace for the remainder of the recital. Sahati and Shravani will now perform Jati Swaram in Ragam Kamach, set to Rupaka Talam.
sa sa ni da pa da ma ga ma pa da pa da ni sa sa ni da pa da ma ga ma pa da pa da ni sa sa ni da pa da ma ga ma pa da pa da ni sa sa ni da pa da ma ga ma pa
Talang gutakata ringena tom ta hata jam tari chakatari te jana kukundarita kundarite ta kita jam talang gutom tiritarum ta kita jam talang gutom tiritarum ta kita jam talang gutom tiritarum talang gutom tiritarum
sa ni da pa da ma ga ma pa da pa da ni sa ni da sa ni da pa da ಗಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ದ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ದ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ದ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ದ ನಿ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸಾ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪ ದ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ಸಾ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪ ದ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಸ ಮ ಗ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ
time, I would like to take a moment to introduce Sahitya and Shravani's guru, along with the wonderful musicians we have with us this evening. First and foremost, on Natuvangam, we have Guru Kalashri Asha Gopal. Kalashri Asha Gopal, a distinguished dancer and educator, is the founder and director of Aarti School of Dance. She is an expert in the Pandanallur style of Bharatanatyam, having trained under eminent teachers Guru Muttaya Pillai, Guru Kittappa Pillai, and Professor U.S. Krishna Rao. Through her illustrious career, Asha Gopal has represented both the governments of India and Karnataka as cultural ambassador, performing for dignitaries including Sikkim for King of Sikkim, Prime Minister Pierre Elliott Trudeau of Canada, 2 presidents of India, and Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. She has also captivated the audience with memorable performances in Canada, Europe, Mexico, and the USA. Asha Gopal's dedication and untiring work has earned her accolades and many prestigious awards and citations. The Guinness Book of World Records for graduating the most number of students with Arangetrams in 2016, Lifetime Achievement Awards from the Fine Arts Association of Arizona in 2023, and the Surya Performing Arts St. Louis, Missouri in 2024. Abhinaya Saraswati Award from the Ministry of Culture and Fine Arts in Cambodia, 2019. Citizen of the Year Award from the Asian American Association of Arizona in 2000. NRI Excellence Award from London, England in 1993. Karnataka Kalashri Award in 1999. And Singer Mani title from Sur Singar Samsad in Mumbai, 1969. Asha Gopal's fervor for promoting Indian culture abroad led her to the establishment of Aarti School of Dance in Phoenix in 1981. It has since seen the graduation of over 250 students. The school feels justly proud and gratified that the school graduates and other students have bonded with our art, culture, and heritage and acquired the fortitude to pass it on to the next generation. Asha Gopal's tireless energy and dedication has drawn heartwarming felicitations and awards from India. Classical Dance Virtuoso Abhinaya Saraswati Award, Srivani Center, Bengaluru, 2025. Shivapriya School of Dance, Bengaluru in 2014. Sangeeta Sambrama in Bengaluru from the Nirantaram Festival in 2012. Drishti Art Foundation from Bengaluru. Drishti Nrityakala Puraskara in 2011. 25-year Vasundarotsava in Mysuru in 2010. Sri Raja Rajeshwari Kalaniketan in Bengaluru, the Natya Saraswati Award in 2008. And Sri Rangam Fine Arts Society from New Delhi, Bala Saraswati Dance Award in 2005. Asha Gopal has served on the Phoenix Arts Commission as a panel judge for grant applications. She served as judge for dance competitions at the Kannada World Conference in Orlando, Florida in 2004, and at the University of Michigan Ross Association in Ann Arbor, Michigan in 2008. She has served as guest examiner in India for board exams in dance. Ladies and gentlemen, Guru Kalashri Asha Gopal. Our vocalist for this evening is Deepti Srinath. Vidushi Deepti Srinath, our featured vocalist, hails from a distinguished musical lineage in Bangalore, immersed in Carnatic classical music. Starting her journey at 5 under her grandmother, Vidushi P. Indira, she further honed her skills with her mother, Dr. Pustakam Rama, and Professor Nagamani Srinath. An A-graded artist by All India Radio, Deepti performs on television and esteemed venues across India and the USA. Renowned for her mastery in classical, light music, and light classical genres, she has provided live orchestral accompaniments for Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi dancers for over 2 decades. Deepti's contributions extend to compositions and multiple audio CDs. She also has appeared in theatrical productions like Rabdi and Vidya Sundari Bengaluru Nagaratnamma with the Benaka Ensemble. Together with her mother, she leads Nirantaram, an international festival showcasing global talents in Indian classical arts. Dedicated to preserving artistic heritage, she mentors numerous students, nurturing the next generation of luminaries. Let's give our vocalist another round of applause. On Mridangam, we have Ambur Padmanabhan. Ambur Padmanabhan began his Mridangam journey at the age of 17 at the Government Music College in Chennai under Padma Bhushan Sangeeta Kalanidhi Dr. T.V. Gopalakrishnan, and currently studies aesthetics of Mridangam for Bharatanatyam under Vidwan B.P. Haribabu. He earned a gold medal for his diploma in music in 2004, a bachelor's degree in music from Annamalai University, and an MA in rhythmology from Madras University. He achieved B grade as a Mridangam artist by All India in 2013, B high in 2018, and A grade is in 2023. His career has taken him worldwide, accompanying renowned artists and performing in dance and television productions. Over the past 2 decades, he has graced numerous public performances, including the Pongal special program on Raj TV and Margari Maha Utsavan on Vijay TV. Padmanabhan has been teaching Mridangam and vocal music for 20 years, earning recognition with an award from Kanchi Kamakoti Pidam Astana Vidwan. Let's put our hands together for our Mridangam player. On flute this evening, we have Raghunandan Ramakrishna. Raghunandan Ramakrishna, a multifaceted flautist, music composer, and arranger, was inspired by the mellifluous tones of his uncle Raghavendra's flute. Trained by B.G. Srinivasa, Vidwan Ravichandra Kulur, and currently Vidwan S. Shankar, Raghu has mastered the flute across genres like Carnatic, Hindustani, contemporary, folk, and world music. He is also studying Western music theory under M.S.V. Raja, Sax Raja. Raghunandan has performed as a solo flautist in India and abroad, collaborating with fusion, jazz, and international bands. He has contributed to movies and commercials and worked with top film music directors. His compositions and arrangements span dance ballets, jingles, private albums, Didi Tamil jingles, Bhavagitas, and short films with notable works like Ramayana, Agastya, and Sri Ramanuja Vaibhavam. He has collaborated with esteemed Indian singers such as S.P. Balasubramaniam, Hariharan, Sadhana Sargam, Kavita Krishnamurti, and Vijay Prakash in live shows and TV programs. In dance music, Raghunandan has accompanied top dancers and worked with composer Madurai R. Muralidharan. With over 20 years of global touring, he is the founder and sound engineer at Suragavi Studios and co-founder of Suragavi Foundation in Bengaluru. Let's give our flautist another round of applause. On the rhythm pads, we have Pradyumna Saurabha. Pradyumna Saurabha began his percussion journey at 4, growing up in a family of accomplished musicians. Guided by the legendary tabla maestro Pandit Ravindra Yavagal, he honed his tabla skills, his innate sense of rhythm shining through effortlessly. He also mastered rhythm pads, enhancing Bharatanatyam performances across India, the USA, the UK, and Australia. Pradyumna's percussion accompaniments have graced performances of distinguished musicians and dancers worldwide, featuring prominently in numerous music albums. He regularly performs on television programs and at music festivals across India, the USA, Singapore, the UAE, Qatar, and beyond. With over 2 decades of experience, Pradyumna is one of India's most accomplished musicians. Engaged in electronic music production, Pradyumna excels in rhythm programming and arrangement techniques. His works are either composed from scratch or developed in synthesizer to complement existing compositions. Pradyumna owns Saurabha Studios in Bengaluru. He is a unique percussion artist skilled in musical programming and arrangement techniques, meticulously crafting impressive rhythms. Let's put our hands together for Pradyumna Saurabha. Assisting Guru Kalashri Asha Gopal Annatuvangam, we have 2 of our very own senior students of Aarti School of Dance. First, we have Nisha Talanki, a senior performer and assistant teacher of the Aarti School of India Dances. Nisha performed her Bharatanatyam Arangetram in 2008 and was the 124th graduate of the Aarti School. Following her Arangetram, Nisha has assisted in teaching dance classes in Phoenix, Chandler, Gilbert, Tucson, and Las Vegas. She is a graduate of the University of Arizona, earning a Bachelor of Sciences degree in Physiology and a Bachelor of Arts degree in Spanish Translation and Interpretation. She is currently working as an ICU nurse at Valleywise Health Medical Center. Nisha Talanki. We also have Suparna Surendran, a rising senior at University of California, Davis. She completed her Arangetram in 2018 with Aarti School of Dance and helps out as a teaching assistant for the school. She is currently working as a research assistant and hopes to pursue a career in medicine. Let's give it up for Suparna. We are so incredibly fortunate to be enjoying live music by this group of outstanding musicians. Live music not only enhances the performance for the audience, but it also inspires the dancers. Let us all give Sahiti and Shravani's guru and the accompanying musicians another round of applause. Now, our musicians will grace us with a musical interlude. Please enjoy.
నగుమోము గనలేని నా జాలి తెలిసి ఈ నగుమోము గనలేని నా జాలి తెలిసి నగుమోము గనలేని నా జాలి తెలిసి నగుమోము గనలేని నా జాలి తెలిసి నన్ను బ్రోవరాదా శ్రీ రఘువరని నన్ను బ్రోవరాదా శ్రీ రఘువరని నగుమోము గనలేని నా జాలి తెలిసి నన్ను బ్రోవరాదా శ్రీ రఘువరని నగుమోము గనలేని నగరాజ ధరణి పరివారు నగరాజ ధరణి పరివారు నగరాజ ధరణి పరివారు ఓగి బోధన చేసేవారలు గారే ఇదులుందుదురే ఓగి బోధన చేసేవారలు గారే ఇదులుందుదురే నగుమోము గనలేని నా జాలి తెలిసి నన్ను బ్రోవరాదా శ్రీ రఘువరని నగుమోము ఖగరాజు నీయనది వినివేగచనలేరు ఓ ఖగరాజు నీయనది వినివేగచనలేదు గగనానికి గిలకు బహుదూరం బనినాడు గగనానికి గిలకు బహుదూరం బనినాడు జగమేలే పరమాత్మ పరమాత్మ జగమేలే పరమాత్మ ఎవరితో మొరలేడు జగమేలే పరమాత్మ రాజను తని బగజూపకు తాళను నేను కోర త్యాగరాజను తని నగ్గుమాము గనలేని రాజలే తెలిసి నన్ను శ్రీ రఘువరని రఘుమోము గనలేని నజాలి దిచి రఘువర రామ శ్రీ రామ